Hello student, I am Professor Sagar Mohite. Today we are going to see some important updates of Mumbai University distance and open learning. Okay, examinations of January December 21-22 session is already actually declared. That examination are going to start from 25th January 2022. Okay, some of the repeaters exam, that means the first semester repeater exam will going to start from 25th January 2022, and second semester fresh examination, regular examination, will start from 27th January 2022. Okay, this is for FYBA, FYBCom, MA, MCom. Okay, all the repeaters and regular examination will going to start from 27th January 2022. Okay, and the timetable for the same is available on the university website. Okay, you will find here the timetable. This is actually distance and open learning University of Mumbai website. Okay, you can go to this website by using actually Google. That you can search Mumbai University. Okay, you will find this Mumbai University website. Okay, mu.ac.in. you can click here distance and open learning. Okay, after clicking here you will reach to the distance university website. Okay, and here you can find timetable for the examination. Okay, these are the 4 new timetables are available, actually 4 5 6 actually timetables are available here. Okay, FYBA. Okay, this is the okay, this is second semester timetable. FYBA first semester timetable. Okay, this is FYBA first semester timetable. Okay, the instructions are same for all the actually examination. Already 4 timetables are available. New 4 timetables are available here. FYBA first semester, FYBA second semester, FYBCom first semester, and FYBCom second semester. Okay, these are the 4 new timetables are available here. Okay, the same instruction for all the actually examination. That is, the examination duration is of 1 hour. There will be 50 questions for 50 marks. Okay, and all questions are compulsory. Okay, this is very important. All the examination will be on MCQ base. That means online examination, there will be online examination. Okay, and the time of the examination is from 9 AM to 6 PM. Okay, that means you can choose any 1 hour. Okay, that means you can start your examination at 9 AM. That examination will end at 10 AM. Okay, you can start your examination at 1 PM. That examination will end at 2 PM. Okay, likewise you can you can choose your own time of 1 hour. Okay, but remember that you must start your examination before 5 PM. Okay, so that you have 1 hour to solve the paper. Okay, because the end time is 6 PM. If you start your paper at 5:30, then you will have only half an hour to solve your paper. So make it sure that you will start your examination at 5 PM. Okay, before 5 PM, so that you will have 1 hour to solve your paper. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now this is actually timetable actually for FYBA first semester. Okay, first semester repeater examination. Okay, and one more important thing you will find in all the actually timetable, that online mock test will be held from 22nd January 2022 9 AM to 24th January 2022 at 12 midnight. Okay, during this 2 to 3 days, 22, 23 and 24, these 3 days, out of these 3 days you can choose any 1 hour to solve the mock test. You have to appear for only one mock test. Okay, in this mock test you will find how to solve the main question paper, or how to solve the main answer sheet. Okay, main paper, main examination. Okay, but for this mock test you will receive email or the SMS from the Institute of Distance and Open Learning. If you have not received any email or SMS from the IDOL, then you will have to call the helpline number and ask them for that actually. Okay, they will provide you guidance about it. Okay. Okay, this is actually timetable of FYBA first semester. Okay, you will see this examination will start from 25th January 2022. Okay, the paper timing is 9 to 6. Okay, that means out of in this time you will have to choose any 1 hour and you can solve your paper. Okay, first paper is communication skills, second paper, third paper. You will find the third paper is FC foundation course. Okay, third paper is of 75 marks, means external examination. Okay, in this examination you will have 30 questions to solve the paper. Okay, only 30 questions are there. Okay, and at the end on 2nd February 2022 there is internal examination of 25 marks. Okay, in that 25 marks question paper you will have only 10 questions and duration of the paper is 30 minutes. Okay, you will have 30 minutes to solve the paper. Okay, and the syllabus for the same, they have mentioned here syllabus also. Okay, you must download your hall ticket before the examination so that you will come to know which paper on which date, because there is some confusion between these papers actually, because the same papers are there. Geography paper 1, same paper is here also, geography paper 1. Okay, so you must download your actually hall ticket before the main examination. Okay, so that you will come to know which paper is on which date. Okay, and and hall ticket is also very important for collecting result, because they will ask you hall ticket while you are going to collect your result. Okay, so you must download your hall ticket. Okay, you can download your hall ticket by login into your IDOL website, your IDOL login ID and password, by using IDOL login ID and password, and you will find hall ticket there. Okay, this is the second semester fresh student examination timetable. Okay, same instructions are there actually. MCQ based examination time are same actually, 9 to 6. There is same mock test for the same examination. Okay, okay, these are the actually same timetable for the second semester. Okay, this examination will start from 27th January, and you will find that semester 1 paper is also on same date. Okay, on 27 January, and same semester 2 paper is also there on 27 January. Okay, both you will have to solve both the papers on the same date. If you have KT on 27 January paper, then you will have to solve this paper as well as regular paper also, because both you have time slot of 9 to 6. You can choose any 2 hours for semester 1, 1 hour, any 1 hour, and for semester 2 any 1 hour. Okay, so you have both the examination on the same day. Okay, likewise for the FY BCom also. Okay, for this is the first semester examination timetable. Okay, you will see this same instructions are there. Okay, same instruction are for like actually FYBA, same papers, 9 to 6 time are there. 9 to 6 time is there. 50 questions for 50 marks. You have 1 hour to solve these 50 questions. Okay, and MCQ based examination, and this is the timetable. Okay, same times of mock test is also there. From 22nd January to 24th January you can solve your mock test. Okay, question actually this is the timetable from 25th January to 3rd February. Okay, same actually on the 20th January you have FC external examination, and on 3rd February you have FC internal examination. Okay, same 10 questions are there for internal examination, and same 30 questions are there for external examination. Okay, and same you will find a fresh examination timetable, that is semester 2nd timetable. Same instructions are there. Mock test is also on same date. Okay, and papers, some papers are also on same date, but you have to solve both the paper, that means repeater examination paper and a regular examination paper on the same day. Okay, if you have repeater examination paper on the same day, then you will have to solve both the paper. Okay, because time there is flexible time. Okay, you can choose any 2 hour for first semester 1 hour, and for second semester 1 hour. Okay, okay, these 4 timetables are already declared by the university. Okay, okay, so best of luck for the examination. Okay, thank you. And one another thing actually, the sample question papers are also available on Mumbai University website. Okay, this is the sample question paper. Okay, click here, you will find the sample questions here. Okay, for FYBA, FYBCom. Okay, click on any paper, you will find the sample question paper. This is actually sample questions. Okay, and these are the options. Okay, like this you have questions in your examination, and these are the sample questions. Okay, you will find for all the examination sample papers are there actually. MCom part 1 semester, part 1 semester 1. Okay, semester 2 they will upload very soon. Okay, like this actually all the subject sample questions are available on Mumbai University website. Okay, so best of luck for the examination. Download your hall ticket before the examination, so that you will come to know which paper on which date. Look here, on this actually notification you will find here actually hall tickets will be available in the students login. Okay, on this website before the 4 days of the respective examination. That means this examination is going to start from 27 January. That means you will receive your hall ticket on your login, in your login of on or before actually 23rd January 2022. Okay, and for this examination you will receive your hall ticket on or before 21st January 2022. Okay, like this you will get your hall ticket from your login. Okay, and it is it is compulsory to solve the mock test. We have already discussed this actually. For mock test you will have to receive email from the idol. Okay, by using this in this email ID you will find your username or a login ID or a password for the examination. You can use that login ID and password for the examination. Okay, so best of luck for the examination. Okay, inform your other friends about it actually. Share my video, subscribe my channel for the idol related update. Okay, thank you very much.